Hi guys, you ready for some math today? Well, we're going to start with our application problem today. And it's a good one. It would be a multiple step problem, and I really like that. So I need you to listen carefully. I'm going to read the problem first because that's what we do in Read, Draw, Write. It starts like this. Mrs. Librarian's students are picking up tangram pieces. They collect 13 parallelograms, 24 large triangles, 24 small triangles, and 13 medium triangles. The rest are squares. If they collect 97 pieces in all, how many squares are there? Mrs. Boffman wrote down some of the important pieces of information for myself to help you work through this. And we know that there are 97 pieces in all. And that's important. So I want you to think of everything we've done in math this year. And I want you to think about how can I figure out how many of these are the squares? And think about what you have to do first. We know what all these pieces are. So what do you think you can do? I am gonna show you how I might solve it, and I want you to see if you did it the same way, and then I want to see if we come up with the same answers. So what Mrs. Boffman likes to do is I'm gonna line up these numbers, and I am gonna see. So I have 13 plus 13, and I know that is a double. And then I have plus 24 plus 24. Oh, there we have another double, and that is 48. Well, I'm still not done yet, because now what I have to do is I have to add these up. So I'm going to do it vertically because that's how my brain is working today. Okay, and I know that 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry over that. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. I have 74. But there are 97 pieces in all, and we are trying to figure out how many squares are. So how do you think we can do that? What operation do you think we should do next? And I think I can set up my number sentence to look like this. We have this missing piece right here. Do you know what you're going to do? You can do two different things here. You can start at 74 and you can do arrow way up to 97. Or I could take 97 and I could subtract 74 from it. And I would come up with my answer that way. So I know that 7 minus 4 is 3, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So there are 23 squares. Remember, you need a word answer. Now, this for Mrs. Boffman was my model today because I needed to write down the different pieces so I remembered it. This is my number sentences and where I did my work. And here is my word answer. Do you have all those parts in your application? And remember, this is a two-step problem. Here would be the first step, and here is the second step. Okay, hope you did a great job. And meet me back, we'll do some math, and we're starting some new math today. We're going to be learning about something called fractions. So I hope to meet you in a few minutes.